Hello guys and welcome. In this video I will show you how to turn on or turn off the 24 hours power mode in iPhone. So without wasting any time, let's get started. The first thing we need to do is go to the settings app, and here in the settings app what you need to do is scroll down and then tap on the general section. Here you can see the date and time option if you scroll down. So what you need to do is simply tap on the date and time, and here you can see 24-hour time. So you can simply enable it or disable it according to your preferences. So that's it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more. Until next time, see you soon in another video. Thanks for watching.